Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start with the exercise 11.3. Okay. So, in the previous class, what we have discussed the example problems of this area and circumference of the circle. Yes. Using that examples, we are going to discuss the exercise problem. Okay. Exercise 11.3 is given here. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. We are supposed to find the circumference. Circumference formula, do you remember? When radius is given, what is the circumference of the circle formula? 2 pi r. When diameter is given, what is the circumference formula? Radius. When diameter is given, what is the circumference formula? Pi d. Okay, so given radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So now circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. So they ask us to take the pi value as 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7, because the pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 14. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 in 22 into 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Into 2 is 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So 88 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. Okay. Next, B problem, 28 millimeter. So here also radius is 28 millimeter, not centimeter children, it is millimeter. Okay. Now circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circle formula when radius is given 2 pi r units. 2 pi r units is 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. Okay, now because here pi value is 22 by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So 22 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s 16, 17. 176 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. Okay, C problem is your homework. Okay, next what is the question? Find the area of the following circle given. Okay, find the area of the following circles given that. Okay, we are supposed to find the area of the given circles. Okay, so what is the given thing here? Radius is equal to 14 millimeter. We are supposed to take pi value as 22 by 7. Okay, so now radius is what, children? So radius given here is 14 millimeter, correct? Radius given here is 14 millimeter. So area of the circle formula. Do you remember this? Last class we have derived the circle formula, area of the circle formula, pi r square units. Pi value is what? 22 by 7 into r square means 14 square, correct? So 22 by 7, 14 square, how will you write? 14 into 14. Yes, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 22 into 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. Then 44 into 14. 4 fours are 16, 4 4 16, 17, 44. 6, 11, 66. So 616 square millimeter is the area of the given circle when radius is given. Okay, next B problem, diameter is equal to 49 millimeter. So when diameter is given as 49 millimeter, we should find the area of the circle. Okay, so now what is the formula of this area of the circle, children? Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. Okay, pi r square units. You know only d. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, correct? Is equal to 49 divided by 2. Now, pi value is 22 by 7 into r square is 49 by 2 the whole square. Yes, 22 by 7 into 49 by 7 to the whole square. Now 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Yes, 49 by 2 the whole square means 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are. Yes, now 11 into 7, 77. 77 into 49. Okay, now 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. 69. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. 30. 3, 17, 7, 3. Divided by 3773 divided by 2 because 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. So shall I divide this 3773 divide by 2? 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, 7, 8 twos are 16, 1, 7, 8 twos are 16, 1, 3, 6 twos are 12, remainder 1, 0.0, 2 fives are 10. So answer is 1886.5 square meter. So this is what the area 1886.5 square meter. C problem is your homework. Understood? Next is your third problem, children. If the circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter, what it is given? Circumference is given. Find its radius. We should find the radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Okay, we have to find the area of the circle. Okay, given circumference of a circular sheet is equal to 154 meter. Circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter. So now we know radius we don't know, right? Radius is equal to r centimeter because I don't know, so I am taking r centimeter. Now therefore circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r square 2 pi r units, correct? You know formula of the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units. What is circumference given? 154 is equal to 2 into what they asked to take pi, 22 by 7 into r because I don't know the radius. Now we should find the radius, correct? 154. Now I am bringing the 7 towards next side. So divided by 7 going to become multiplication 7. 2 into 22, 44 into r. Next, I am bringing this 44 towards next side. So it becomes 154 divided by 44 is equal to r. Because this multiplication, if it go that side, it becomes division. Now can we cancel this? In what table you will cancel, children? In 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. Now 1, then 7. Okay. Then in 11th table, 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77. Now 7 7s are 49 divided by 2. Correct? 7 7s are 49 divided by 2 is equal to r. Now shall we divide this? 2 49, 2 2s are 4, then again 9, then 4 2s are 8, remainder 1.0, 2 5s are 10. Our r is equal to what, children? 24.5 centimeter is the radius. We have found the radius. Next what we should do? Find the area of the sheet. Okay. So area of the circular sheet is equal to pi r square units. So here we are using pi value as what? Either 22 by 7 itself we can use. Okay. See, instead of writing 24 by 5, I am writing r as 49 by 2 the whole square. Because it will be easy for us to cancel it. Okay, either you can write R value as 49 by 2 or as 24.5. Okay, so 27 by 2 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are. So 11 into 7, 77 into 49. In the previous problem we have done 77 into 49. What is the answer? 3773. 3773 divided by 2, right? Because see here, 3773 divided by 2, answer is what, children? 1886.5 you are getting, which is square centimeter. So sorry, square meter. So this is also meter. Okay, see children, this is meter, this is also meter. See children, it is given circumference of the circle is 154. Radius we don't know. So using the circumference, I have find the radius as 49 by 2 or 24.5. Using this radius, we should find the area. So answer you are getting is 1886.5 square meter. Okay. Next is your fourth problem. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden. Okay, he wants to fence. Fence means what? We are putting the boundary. Fencing means here it will in a square and rectangle, fencing means it is perimeter. But when it comes to this circle, the square, fencing means it is circumference. Okay, we are going to gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 centimeter. So I am writing diameter of a circular garden is equal to 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he make one round of fence. So 2 rounds of fence. So 1 round of fence means it is circumference. 2 rounds means into 2. Okay, now circumference of a circular garden is nothing but here length of rope need for 1 round. Okay, here the circumference of the circular garden is nothing but length of the rope needed for 1 round. Okay, so here what is the formula? Circumference of the circular garden when diameter is given as pi into d. Pi d units. Okay, pi what value they ask us to take? 22 by 7 into diameter, what is the value? 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 22 into 3 is what? 66 units. Okay, so 66 meter is the circumference. Okay, this is nothing but the circumference of the circle which is needed, circumference of the circular garden. So it is the length of 1 round. So for this is for 1 round, correct? This is for 1 round. So next question is length of rope needed for 2 rounds. Okay, length of the rope needed for 2 rounds. So for 1 round 66 meter means 2 round means 2 into 66. Okay, 66 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 13. 132 meter is the length of the rope needed for 2 round. Okay, also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So now we should find the cost of the rope. Okay, how much rupees is needed for buying that rope? Okay, so cost of 1 meter of rope is rupees 4, correct? Cost of 1 meter of rope is for rupees 4. So therefore next cost of 132 meter of rope is, because we need 132 meter of rope, so 132 meter of rope is rupees 4 into 132. So 132 into 4 is 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5. So rupees 528 is needed for fencing this circular garden using this 132 meter of rope. Understood? Next is your fifth problem. The question: from the circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. See, there is one big radius that is of 4 centimeter. In that circle, radius of 3 centimeter circle is removed. Okay. So this is one big circle that is of 4 centimeter radius. In that circle, small 3 centimeter radius circle is removed. So what is the remaining area? So if I remove this part, what is the remaining area? The shaded region is our remaining area. We should find the area of that remaining region. Okay. So now I am writing the outer circle, inner circle, like that I am going to name it. So first radius of outer circle. Okay, radius of outer circle is what? 4 centimeter. Now area of the outer circle. Now I am going to find because in this whole area, if I subtract the small area, I will get the remaining sheet. Area of the outer circular sheet. Circular sheet. Area of the outer circular sheet is pi r square units. Pi r square units. Pi value what they ask us to take? 3.14 into r square means 4 square. 3.14 into 4 4s are 16. Right? 314 into 16 is 6 4s are 24. 8 6 3s are 18. Then 4 1 3 4 12 10 5. So after this two numbers decimal point. So 50.24 centimeter square is the area of the outer circle. Next, radius of inner circle. Okay, radius of inner circle is what? 2 centimeter. So 3 centimeter. Now area of the inner circular sheet. Area of the inner circular sheet is pi r square units. Pi is 3.14 into r square is 3 square. So 3.14 into 3 3s are 9. 314 into 9 is 9 4s are 36. 12 1 9 3s are 27. 28. After 2 digits we will keep decimal point. So 28.26 centimeter square is the area of the inner circle. So from this larger circle, if you subtract the smaller circle, you will get the remaining sheet. So area of the remaining sheet, how you will find it? Area of the remaining sheet is equal to outer circle minus inner circle. Outer circle minus inner circle. Outer circle is 50.24 minus inner circle is 28.26. 50.24 minus 28.26. 116 8. Okay, 8. Then here 4 9 11 9. The subtraction 1 2. So answer is 21.98 centimeter square is the area of the remaining sheet. The shaded region area is 21.98 centimeter square. Okay. Next is your sixth problem. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of the circular table. So this is your circular dining table. You can keep it. In that she wants to put the lace in this. Lace means what? Like border she wants to put. Okay. Covers a diameter. What is the diameter of the circular table? 1.5. So if you want to put a lace means we are going to find the circumference. Okay, find the length of the lace required. So if you find the length of the lace, you should find the circumference of the table. Also find the cost. Okay, so now solution is what? Diameter of a circular table is equal to diameter of the circular table is equal to 1.5 meter. The diameter of the circular table is what? 1.5 meter. So here length of the lace is equal to circumference of the circular table. Correct? Length of the lace is nothing but circumference of the circular table. Yes, circumference of the circular table. So what is the circumference formula? Pi into d units. What is pi value? They ask us to take 3.14. D is 1.5. So can we multiply 314 into 15? 5 4s are 20, 7, 15, then 4, 1, 3, 0, 11, 7, 4. So after 3 digits you should keep decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 4.710 meter is the length of the lace required to put a border for this circular table. Okay. So now cost. Okay. Cost of 1 meter of lace. How much? Rupees 15. So what is the cost of 4.71 meter of lace? How much? 15 into 4.71. So I am just multiplying into 15. 5, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 20, 23, then 1, 7, 4, 5, 6, 10, 1, 7. So how many? Then after 2 digit you will keep decimal point. So rupees 70.65 is needed for buying 4.710 meter of lace for putting the border for this table. Okay, and in this then your 7th problem is there, right? That is your homework. Okay, 7th problem is your homework. Children, actually 7th problem is same like the example problem which we have dealt in our previous class. So you can able to do it. Okay, because we can find the circumference of the semicircle, then you add with the diameter. So you will get the answer for the 7th problem. Okay, then in the first problem C subdivision, second problem C subdivision as a homework which I have already given. Then 7th sum is your homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.